Hello everyone, welcome to Master Stage. This is a TG-TET Paper-1 Child Development Quick Revision. Okay, this section is focused on MCQs, exam ready, and last day revision. Let us revise the most important concept in a simple and smart way. So here, development, growth, and maturation. So, development is qualitative and progressive change. Growth, it is the quantitative and physical change. Whereas maturation is the automatic and age based. So, remember, development includes growth, development includes like growth and maturation. So, development versus growth versus maturation. We'll discuss. Development is qualitative and lifelong. Growth is the quantitative and will uh, continue till adulthood. Whereas maturation is automatic and genetically controlled. So this table is very important for comparison based on MCQs. So let us see principles of development part 1. So the first principle is cephalodical, that is development from head to toy. From head to toy. Okay. The second proximidistal, it is the development from center to extremites. So the development goes from center to here, 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 here. So it is center to extremite. So these principles explain the natural order of child development. Then we'll see principles of development part 2. So development proceeds from general to specific. Okay, it is a continuous and sequential process. There are individual variation, meaning that children develop at different rates. Remember to quote examples in exam. Then factors influencing development. So development influenced by three major factors. One is biological, psychological, sociological. So whereas biological, it is like it influenced by the heredity, health, and nutrition. Whereas psychological, which includes emotions, intelligence, and motivation. Sociological, family, school, culture, etc. Okay, so here we'll discuss dimensions of development. Child development has multiple dimensions. These includes physical, cognitive, emotional, social, moral, language development. So all these dimensions are interrelated and development in one affects others. Okay, let us see Piaget cognitive development. So, according to Piaget, cognitive development occurs in these stages. Okay, from 0 to 2 years, it is a sensory motor, and 2 to 7 years pre-operational stage, and 7 to 11 years concrete, then 11 plus years is a formal operational stage. So remember ages with the stage names. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. Then we'll discuss about the Kohlberg's moral development. So Kohlberg proposed three levels of moral development. Okay, pre-conventional. So where punishment and reward, then conventional. It is about the social rules and approval. Then post conventional. It is the universal moral principles. So this is frequently asked in Telangana TET as well as AP TET and even CTET also. Do remember and take the screenshot. Okay, if you are first time listening my class, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Then Erikson's psychosocial stages. Here, Erikson explained the development through psychosocial conflicts. Okay, then here infancy, trust versus mistrust, toddler autonomy versus shame, preschool initiative versus guilt, school industry versus inferiority, in adolescence identity versus confusion, a young adult it is the intimacy versus isolation. Okay, adulthood, uh, gravity versus stagnation, old age integrity versus despair. So very important, uh, it is a very important stage based on stage based questions. So do remember. Okay, then it is easy, the symbol also here given, just go through that one. Okay, then we'll discuss about the Chomsky and Rogers. So Chomsky explained the language development through LAD. Okay, that is language acquisition device. Okay, uh, it is a language is the innate. Then Carl Roger proposed the humanistic approach, emphasized self-actualization and person-centered learning. Then we'll discuss about the individual differences. So individual differences refers to variation among learners. So intra individual differences and inter individual differences. So uh, intra means the difference occurs within the same person. This is called, most of the times it is asked, intra individual difference. That means so difference occurs within the same person. Then it comes to the inter individual. So that is a difference occurs between the different people. So there are seen they are seen in attitude, in aptitude, interest, habits, intelligence, and thinking. Then intelligence and thinking. So intelligence is a mental, general mental ability. Okay, divergent thinking is creative and multiple multiple solution for the creative answers. Then convergent thinking, so is a logical and leads to one correct answer. So many times MCQs asked to identify these types. Then personality development. So personality is shaped by multiple factors. So these includes like heredity, environment, self-concept, and child rearing. So teachers plays major role in personality development of a child. Then adjustment and mental health. So good adjustment means flexible, realistic, then um, socially effective. Then mental health. It is a it refers to emotional balance, self acceptance, and social harmony. Okay, so a well adjusted child learns better. Then defense mechanism. So defense mechanism project the ego. Important ones are repression, projection, then rationalization, regression, sublimation, and uh, displacement. So remember all these six for the exam purpose. Then it comes to the research method. So observation involves like systematic watching. Then interview means direct questions. Case study means in-depth analysis on individual. Then experimental method uses controlled conditions. Then we'll discuss research methods part 2. So rating scales provide numerical assessment, whereas analytical records are written observation. Then questionnaires are written questions. Then cross-sectional versus and longitudinal studies are time-based methods. So remember this, okay? Then development task and hazards. So each stage has developmental task. Okay, in infancy walking, in childhood reading, adolescence is the identity formation. Then hazardous. That means hazardous includes delayed development, poor environment, and psychological stress. So here a quick recap completes. Know the theories, remember the stages, and practice MCQs. So, all the best for the TG-TET Paper-1. Success is yours. So, thank you for watching Masters Teach. Do subscribe and share with your friends. Like this video. Thank you. All the best.